Hello everyone. I know you've been wondering what happened, and it's been a year since I posted my video. Thank you. I always think about all of you guys that are supporting my mirrorless passion. But I want you all to know that I've been really busy because of moving from Africa to the Philippines, and I need to establish the house chores. We have so many things to do on settling again. So, but this is now for good. So that is the good thing. And aside from that, I also established my business. Okay, so from mirrorless fashion to the dagta, and I show you. This is what I've been doing. These are all my machine, my homogenizer in lotion filler, and this one is my stereo. You can see I've been busy. I got lots of soap. Okay, so this is that really keep me busy because of I do not only making a soap this time, because I've been studying on organic skincare formulation, and I became certified on 2019. So after that one, then I continue still studying. So it's just so much going on, processing all the documentation. But today I'm here because that is only a glimpse of my workplace. It's not doesn't you don't see yet all, but today I made this video because I make some short soap making. This one is very plain, but it's a really nice result. So I will be showing you my plain soap that normally you can use it for your own or whatever. You can add on anything you want, essential oil or coloring. So let's go and see that one.